In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan receipts for taxes using the Expensify app. Keeping clean digital records of your receipts is a huge help at tax time, and Expensify makes this a lot easier. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get a receipt from your desk or your phone into Expensify so it's stored, readable, and ready for your accountant or for your own records. First, open your browser and go to the Expensify website, or open the Expensify app if you already have it installed. Make sure you're signed into the correct account you use for your tax-related expenses. If you manage both personal and business expenses, double check that you're in the workspace or account you actually want to use for tax tracking. Once you're on the main Expensify screen, look for the plus sign. This is usually located near the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your device or browser layout. The plus sign is your shortcut for adding something new, like an expense or a receipt. Click on the plus sign and a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Create Expense. This tells Expensify that you're about to add a new transaction that you want to keep track of. Even if you only care about the receipt image, it still needs to live inside an expense entry for proper tax reporting later. After you click Create Expense, you'll see different options for how to add details. Here you want to click on Scan. The Scan option is what allows Expensify to read the receipt for you, pulling out important details like the date, the merchant, the total amount, and sometimes even the category. When you're on the scan screen, you have two choices. You can follow the on-screen instructions to take a photo of a physical receipt, or you can upload an existing file from your computer or device. If you're taking a photo, lay the receipt flat, make sure it's well lit, and try to capture the entire receipt without cutting off the top or bottom. Keep your hand steady and make sure the text is clear and legible. This helps. Expensify read the information accurately. If your receipt is already saved as a PDF or an image on your device, choose the option to select a file, then browse to that receipt and upload it. This is especially useful for emailed receipts or invoices you've already downloaded. Once the file is